record on this computer and go. Hello, my name is Tony Rupp, and I'm the founder and president of GoToVerdict. GoToVerdict is a jury selection app that allows you to select better juries. Let me show you how it works. You're viewing a demonstration of the GoToVerdict application in action. What we need from your attorney trial team in the courtroom is the names, ages, and towns of residence of all of the prospective jurors. Once that information is sent to GoToVerdict, either by way of, as you see here, a photograph of a sheet of the jurors, or it's input directly into the system, GoToVerdict goes out and consults numerous different databases and public records locations and generates back to the courtroom comprehensive researched information on all of your jurors. So what you're looking at is the first page, the control page of the jury selection app. There's only 2 pages in the application because we wanted to make it very easy for busy trial teams to use. This is the first screen. Your jurors, and I believe there are a total of 55 in this prospective jury pool, start off in the prospective category. They can be moved to in the box, meaning that they're undergoing questioning, and then they can be sworn in as jurors or alternates or excused. Now this page controls the entire jury selection. But once you click into an individual juror, so for example, Thea Cancio here, we're going to click into her and we're going to see the second page of GoToVerdict. Each juror has their own individual page. As you can see, we've pulled up all sorts of research on this juror, including the fact that she owns her own home, a photograph of that home, and a street view so you can see her neighborhood. Other properties that she owns, she apparently owns a rental property as well. But this juror also has judgments and liens against her and has lived in several different addresses. We provide that as well. Relatives, social media search, and even pages from the social media footprint that this potential juror may have. Our page also allows the members of the trial team to rate and comment on the jurors and keep all of their notes on the juror in an easy to refer back to system. So if I want to rate this juror a 7, I simply click a 7, I return to the main page, and that juror will have my rating. Always my rating will be furthest to the left. And other members of the trial team can rate as well, and their ratings will appear there next to mine. What this app allows is for multiple different users, anyone with an internet access device, such as a cell phone, laptop, tablet, or desktop, can be participating in the jury selection. They can just be there to view it, or if you like to have extra researchers and extra brains involved in your jury selection, such as jury consultants, remote second chairs back in your office, they can all access and view the jury selection live and participate in commenting and rating your jurors. So back on this main screen, you see we have activity. As ratings come in from different people participating in the jury selection, the trial team in the courtroom and remote users, each rating is logged on the individual juror and also listed here in the activity section. All of this information is kept throughout your entire jury selection, no matter how many days it lasts. So GoToVerdict is actually 3 different products in one. Number 1, and most importantly, it provides you with instant, comprehensive research information on all of your jurors so you can make more informed decisions on whether to select them for your jury. Number 2, it provides you with a mechanism and an application for keeping track of the jurors, the entire jury selection, your notes, comments, and rating, all in one place, viewable by all of the members of your team, no matter where they are situated, in the courtroom or remotely. And then finally, GoToVerdict provides you, once the jury is selected, with a comprehensive recap and summary report on the entire jury selection, including all of your selected jurors and your alternates, and information on what happened to your other jurors and when and how they were excused, such as by cause, stipulation, or by peremptory challenge. We think the GoToVerdict app is the best and the most cutting-edge technology that you can use to help you select a jury. If you try to do this research by hand and try to get emails from your office into your phone in the jury selection room, any of you who have tried that know that that is a confused, jumbled mess. GoToVerdict, on the other hand, keeps all of the information under each juror, provides you with an easy and quick way to determine their gender, to determine whether they are homeowners, how they vote, whether they are good with money, or have judgments, liens, and bankruptcies against them. So you can see that this jury selection progressed over the course of about 3 minutes, although the data here, the names have been changed, was taken from an actual jury selection that took a day and a half. So all of the activity that you see here was condensed into a single presentation. But if we look at any juror, we can go in and see all of the ratings that the trial team made of this individual, all of the research and data that GoToVerdict was able to pull up on the person, and all, in this case, we see a number of judgments, liens, and bankruptcies that might suggest that we should shy away from this particular juror if we're selecting a defense jury. She's not good with money. And social media footprint. All of this information comes to you instantly. We usually have it to you within the first 10 minutes of the jury selection so you can make informed decisions about whom to select. So let me show you now the third feature of the GoToVerdict app, which is the report. If I go into the control panel and I click on the report that has already been generated on this jury selection, which just ended, you will see the comprehensive multi-page GoToVerdict demo trial summary jury report. It's all prepared and ready to go to all of your stakeholders and the members of your trial team. The contents are all hyperlinked, and as you scroll through it, you'll see that we provide a list of your jurors, names, ages, and genders. We provide all of the ratings that your trial team put together on them, all of the comments. We give you a summary page flagging their icons that are noteworthy. So in this particular jury, we have 5 Democrats across the jurors and the alternates, and only 1 Republican. We give you some analytics on the jurors, provide you with copies of their residences, photographs of the residents rather, and we provide you then with a summary of each individual juror with all the information that we were able to pull up on that juror, including, as you see, social media footprints, and all of the comments and ratings from your trial team all in one place for each individual jury. So that is the GoToVerdict jury selection app demonstrated to you. We hope that you will take a look at GoToVerdict and use it for your next trial. Thank you for listening.